everybody. How are you today? I hope that you guys are not suffering from the winter blues like I am. I am so over all this cold. I don't want to really see any more snow. I don't really even want to see any more. I don't want to definitely see any more ice. I want to see some sunshine, although it is kind of sunny out today. I want to go to the dog park and go to the beach, and I want to do all those summery things that you should do in the summertime. Alrighty, if you don't know, my name is Miranda, and this is my channel, Doing Life. I do a lot of unboxings. I also do vlogging and my weight loss journey. Okay, today I have a brand new box for my channel. I have been waiting for this box to come because I just was. I'm so excited to get this. This is in here. It's Glossybox. So this is the way it was mailed to me when I opened it up. I haven't peeked or anything. It comes with a $100 wine voucher. Yeah, buddy. I might have to check that out. And then you get this really pretty pink box. Who doesn't love a pretty pink box? All right. I'm so excited. Like, this sat in my car all day yesterday. I wanted to open it up so bad. Look, that box, it is so cute. And then this is what it looks like when I open it. Hope y'all are having a good day. I love when everything has the ribbon detail. I just think that's just a great touch. Okay, so I'm kind of probably, if I'm feeling or sounding a little rushed, my husband loves to call me, like, when I'm in the middle of filming, he'll call me and he'll be like, you want to meet me for lunch? Well, lunch is 22 miles away, but I have a little bit of time. I told him I was filming. Okay, so, this is a $145 free gift from the Skin Store with a code. I don't know. There we go. Then in here, I'm sure this is the pamphlet telling me what all I got. And then you have some pretty pink paper here. Alrighty. Now, I am a makeup girl, but I'm a skincare girl too. I love my skincare. So let's see what all I've got here. Something in there smells yummy. All right, Slice Mask Sheet in lemon. Look at that. I love me some mask. All right. Let's see how much this little baby is. Lemon slice mask, full size, $5. Revolutionary in the concept of sheet mask, each slice is infused with the nutrients and scents of its namesake fruit. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables. Slices use eucalyptus trees' power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to the face and body. Before applying your mask, cleanse your face really good. So I'm excited to try this sheet mask, the lemons. Alrighty. Then I have some Daily Concept Your Facial Mini Scrubber with smart technology in gentle. It's full size, $5. Designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubber technology are just the right for daily soft wash or for an exfoliant wash. Perfect for your face. Cool. All right. Facial wipes here by Zia. They're makeup remover with rosehip and essential oils. $12. They're a 90 count. Perfect for the woman on the go. Renew without the added need of having to rinse your face after taking your makeup off. Infused with rose hip essential oil, skin gets a powerful dose of antioxidants and vitamins. Alrighty, then I have Avant. Where is this? Skincare Deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. Girl, I'm a southern girl. All these big words. All right, so there's that. It's full size. This is $120. Ooh. Anti-aging moisturizer. The cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness for a younger looking complexion. Reverses the signs of crow's feet, wrinkles, and dark circles around your eyes. I always got me some dark circles, y'all. All right. And then the last item in the box is a palette by Sleek. It's a highlighting palette. And where's the highlighter? Okay, highlighter palette, $14.99. So that is what is in my Glossy box. We got a highlight. We got some night cream. We got some facial wipes. A scrubber. A mask, which I'm really excited to use. It feels nice and cool. And yeah, is that it? All right. And then a couple coupon codes. So great first box. I actually got this box for $15, so you can try it right now for $15 as well. Don't forget to use your ebates though, because you get some credit back if you go through ebates, which is what I did. There's a link in the description for ebates. Okay. All right. So there we go. There is my Glossy box for this month. I will be ordering it again. It's normally $21, but you can get it right now for $15. Alrighty, I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Make sure that if you're not already subscribed, to hit that subscribe button. And in the link below or the description below is my Instagram page. Go and hit that link as well. Let me know if you decide to try Glossy Box, or if you already try it, how you like it. All right. I think y'all are awesome. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to be kind, love one another. See you later.